So we got a interesting concept from Samsung for a patent here. You know, we skipped 3 tri-foldable phones, and now we're on to quad foldable phones. What is going on here? Like, at what point are we just gonna do? Is this like how phones used to be really small and then they got really freaking big? Is that what we're doing here? So we're just going to continue to add displays onto these phones until eventually we get to like 10 displays. And yeah, this is how it would fold, the quad foldable phone. It has a total of what? 1, 2, 3, 4 folding points. And yeah, it literally looks like a gigantic brick. It just folds up like a gigantic brick, and this is your quad foldable phone. Samsung hasn't even came out with their tri-foldable yet. That's coming out later this year. We're still waiting for that to happen, and now we're kind of in that situation where we're gonna have to see if this is also gonna be a next year thing. Because maybe the thing is here, right? Okay. This is a patent, right? So that doesn't mean anything's going to happen. Patents happen all the time. You just patent ideas so people don't steal them. That's really the whole point of patents. At the end of the day, nothing could come out of a patent, or a phone could come out of a patent, or a concept. They just don't want anyone else stealing this concept. Samsung loves to be first at things, though, and that's another factor here. They do love to be first at like releasing cell phones, first at ideas, first at concepts. So Huawei's going to create this sometime probably later next year, and then Samsung's going to release it. I think that's really what this comes down to. I think Samsung filed this patent just because they knew Huawei was going to probably release one. So they said, you know what? We're going to get ahead of it. We're going to file this patent, get it out there. And then once they release one, we'll release one again in South Korea and China, probably limited to 1,000 units. And we're going to get our name out there. Because there's no way durability is good on this. I just don't even know how they make durability good on this type of phone. Like, at some point, we're getting a little ridiculous when it comes to this. And yeah, at some point, just make a foldable laptop, which that's kind of a foldable tablet, which is already actually out there. We have foldable laptops, foldable type tablets. This is just, I feel like I'm a loss for words, and I'm usually never lost for words when it comes to these videos, but I have to be, because we got the Nintendo Switch 2 drop today. Well, not the actual release, but info drop. And then we get this. Nintendo Switch 2 and a quad foldable phone. GG, boys. GG.